In this tutorial, we'll be taking the opportunity to explore brackets plugins. Plugins are one of the most important features of brackets. Since brackets is the open source code editor, plugins make up a large part of the functionality that is to be expected to work. Making plugins for brackets is easy because you have access to the source that makes it possible for brackets to exist. In this tutorial, we won't be talking about making plugins, but we'll look into some of the plugins that are already available. To install a plugin, you visit the Extension Manager. The Extension Manager is located here on the right of the screen. Its icon looks like a Lego piece, or maybe a 9-volt battery. Click that and the Extension Manager will open. As you can see, the Extension Manager has 3 tabs: Available, Themes, and Installed. The Available tab contains a list of all the plugins that are available in the brackets ecosystem. These plugins do a lot of different things, from code highlighting to syntax support to all sorts of different tools. Anything imaginable, really. As we saw in the previous tutorial, Brackets has a massive API that can be used for developing powerful plugins. Next is Themes. The Themes tab contains a list of different themes that can be applied to Brackets. Themes change the way that Brackets looks and can make it easier to code depending on your coding preferences. You can install a theme or a plugin by clicking the Install button, which is next to the plugin's name on the right. Let's try installing a plugin. Go to Available. You can search for a plugin by name simply by typing its name with the magnifying glass search box selected. Let's type Emmet. This will narrow the list down to the software Emmet. Let's install it. Emmet will be installed automatically via the internet. Now close the Extension Manager. As you can see, a drop-down for Emmet has appeared at the top of the screen. This will not happen for all plugins, but in the case of Emmet, there is a drop-down menu with many options that can affect the code. As you can see, if I create a new HTML file and I try to write some code, I get Emmet. The way Emmet works, if I type div, and then let's say div.hello, and I press tab, it will turn it into the HTML div class equals hello. This is very useful if you write a lot of HTML. Next, let's take a look at a theme. Go back to the Extension Manager, and we'll go to Themes. Let's try installing a theme. Type in Black Mint, and we'll get the Black Mint theme for Brackets. Click Install, and now the theme is installed. You can change the theme by going to View, Themes. Here you see a list of the installed themes. Let's select Black Mint Theme and press Done. Now our Brackets theme has been changed. To change the theme back, go back to View, Themes, and select Brackets Lite, which is default. To uninstall a plugin or a theme, go to the Extension Manager and go to Installed. Installed plugins appear here. You can remove a plugin by clicking the Remove button. Let's remove the Black Mint theme. Press Close and Sublime will tell you it needs to restart to remove the plugin. That's okay. Let's say Remove Extensions and Reload. Save changes. And now the plugin is removed. plugins make up a large part of the brackets experience, and I encourage you to explore using plugins to make your coding workflow easier.